Adam, why is Pharmasset the next big thing in biotech?
Hey, Greg. Much of the biotech investing world's attention late next week is going to turn to San Francisco for an annual gathering of hepatitis C experts. Now, Pharmasset is going to be there, too, and they're presenting data on a closely followed experimental pill that could become the backbone of an all-oral therapy for hepatitis C.
So why is an all-oral hepatitis C therapy significant?
Because curing hepatitis C today, even with some of the fantastic new drugs that have come out recently, like from Vertex and Merck, these still require weekly injections of interferon. And that causes all kinds of side effects, not to mention the pain and inconvenience of having to take a shot. Now, what hep C researchers are working towards is a pill or a combination of pills that can be taken once a day to cure hep C. Now, Pharmasset is in the middle of that race to develop an all-oral hep C therapy.
All right, so what's going to go on at that meeting?
Well, the headline-grabbing data is going to be presented on Sunday afternoon, November 6th. And this is when we'll see updated results from a mid-stage study of Pharmasset's pill. It's known as PSI 7977. Again, there's no use of injectable interferon here. It's just PSI 7977 by itself or in combination with another pill.
All right, let's bring it back to the stock market. Pharmasset has been the best-performing biotech stock so far this year. Is it fair to say that investors are expecting good news? Is it baked into the stock?
Yeah, expectations here are really high, and rightly so, because a lot of the data that we've seen from Pharmasset and from this drug has really been exemplary so far. Now, with that said, Pharmasset's valuation, it's $5-6 billion stock, tells you what investors expect a lot. Now, last week, for instance, Pharmasset stock sold off when Abbott released some data on its own hep C pill, and that stoked competitive concerns. Now, the hep C market is worth billions of dollars. You're going to have lots of players here, and it's changing fast. So that brings with it a lot of volatility in the stocks of companies like Pharmasset, Vertex, and others.
All right, thanks a lot, Adam.